Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Mercedes GLE with a 350. On this Mercedes we're going to go over where you would check your engine oil and where you add engine oil. So the engine oil dipstick is right back here where you'll be able to pull it out, clean it off, and reinsert. And then you'll pull it out to check to make sure that you are within the hash marks for good engine operation. If you're not and you need to add oil, over here on the right hand side of the vehicle is your cap to add your engine oil. Twist that just a quarter turn to the left and be able to remove that. Use the funnel, add the oil, and then recheck. And you'll want to be careful and not add too much oil, because if you add too much oil you can cause issues with your catalytic converter. And clean it up if you need to. And that's where you would add your engine oil and have to check it on this GLE350, and this has the 3.5 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.